Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, just going to be showing you how I go about edging my lawn. Straightening it up, just tidying it up. I'm going to go down here and then to the right here, all the way around and then around the greenhouse. First of all, the first thing I tend to do is get a file. Just file the edge down. Do it with a hand file. You do it with a hand file. These are only a couple of pounds from local hardware store, DIY store. Just want to nice and sharp that way. Just trying to do it one-handed. Just get it nice and sharp. Oh, that's lovely. That'll go straight through then. So I use a high carbon steel file. I said £2 or £3 from your local DIY hardware store. And then we just need to get on with this then. I'm not going to put any string down. You can put a line down. I'll put a line down from one end to the other. But I am just going to freelance it. Let's get this started. Just do it freestyle. Should be fine. Get this sorted here. A bit further back. Just see what we're doing. Just got missing on a rose. So yeah, all you want to do then is just take enough off just to get it straight. I tend to overlap it a little bit. So you've got the centre going down. That way you keep it straight. Because you tend to hot with an edging tool. You don't need one. If you've got a shop spade, that should be fine. Cut that, shall we? That's not looking too bad. It actually goes in a little bit further, a little bit down here. It's actually collapsed. So what I'm going to do here is just take another couple of inches off. That way, should be fine then. You can put a string down. But do it this way, it's quicker. And you can always go back and just straighten it up. That's a bit collapsing. So I've just got to go. Now just take a look down the line, see what it's like. That's not too bad at all. 6 freelance. I'm dead happy with that. And that's just took a couple of minutes with a really sharp small spade. Once you've done that, you get your hedge trimmers, cut your lawn and just trim down the edge, and you've got a perfect edge then for your lawn. So yeah, look how much better that looks now. If you want this as well, I'm going to turn this into decent soil. What I do with this is get some black bags, some bin liners, and double them up, put this in, tie a knot, add some water, leave it probably 5 to 6 weeks, and it'll all rot down. You can spread it back in your garden. So yeah, a quick and easy way how to edge your lawn with just a small spade, doing it freehand. If you have any questions about anything in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.